Oh my God, the snow is getting worse. The rumors were true. It is a blizzard, Dad. Dad.
Welcome to the basement, Caillou. Glad you can make it.
Dad, there is a...
I know. I've seen it on the news. I knew the rumors were true, so I bought as much food as I can.
Wow. You got some Doritos, ice cream, and Little Caesars. Gimme.
No.
What?
No. Don't touch them. They are for emergency purposes only, not snack time.
Oh man. Dad, I'm starving my glutes off.
We interrupt this program with some breaking news. Reports are coming in of a huge blizzard striking Gonamate City. 12 people died from hypothermia, others suffered from frostbite, and at least 9 people starved to death.
Everyone run for your lives. The blizzard is here, the blizzard is here, the blizzard is here.
Well, Caillou, I think we need to start eating.